Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. Today we're on a 19 SPX, the outboard version. This boat comes in two versions, with the IO version or the outboard, and today we're on the outboard again. We're going to start at the back of the boat. I'm going to show you some of the nicer features about this boat and things that sometimes people just don't pay attention to. First thing is very simple, swim ladder. This swim ladder on a lot of our competitions is a 2-step ladder or a 3-step ladder. It doesn't go down in the water very far, so it's hard to lift your leg up when you're down in the water to get your foot on that step. The 4-step ladder, you can see when I deploy this off the back how far down in the water this would actually go. We've got nice decking in the back of the boat. It's going to be easy on your feet when you're standing back here. This one's got the 4-stroke 150 Mercury outboard on it. If you haven't run one of these, you need to. It's super quiet. The shifting on it is super smooth. Definitely my top choice as far as outboards go. Ski piling back here, and again, this sea deck, this soft cushioning, I can go both sides of this boat. There's plenty of walk room on the back of the boat. Another one of the real nice features about having the outboard version is that instead of having an engine in here, we've got a big trunk space. Everybody always wants to bring their coolers and their bags and their towels and their beach chairs. On the inboard version, you can't do that. On the outboard version, you can, because you've got this huge trunk space back here. Plenty of seating in the back of the boat, 3 wide, easy back here, 2 captain's chairs in front of that, 2 chairs up in the front. So 7 people pretty comfortably in this boat. So for a 19-foot boat, it's actually rated for more than that, but I'd say comfortable seating on this is 7 people. You've got stainless steel drink holders and stainless steel grab handles on it, just about everywhere that you look in the boat. As you move up to the captain's position here, very comfortable sitting down. This seat slides back and forth. You have a tilt steering wheel. Your stereo remote is right here at your fingertips. All your controls are right there, easy to get at. As I'm sitting here, I've got an armrest, and then look where my hand falls, exactly right on top of the shift and throttle controls. If you like to stand up and drive, flip up that thigh rise bolster, and I've got plenty of room to stand up behind the wheel. I've tilted the steering wheel up so it's comfortable to drive from this position as well. We've got storage underneath the port side console right here, plenty of room for life jackets, your flare kit, fire extinguishers. To me, this is something that really sets the SPX line apart, is how big the bow area is on these. They carry the width further forward on the Sea Ray SPXs instead of coming to a sharp point. So when you get up here, it's nice and wide all the way to the front. So I've got a bunch of room. A tall person can sit up at the front of this boat comfortably. We've got an anchor locker up at the front. Again, armrests up here, drink holders down here, everything that you need. This boat is at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. This is a beautiful green colored boat, but we have them in multiple colors throughout the United States at our different locations. But if you want to test ride this boat, call me at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. I'm Grant Drugsmal.